Everything is fine now, guys. Come on, use the chat box. Use the chat box, guys. Everyone give the reply now. Yeah, everything is fine now, guys. Come on. Yes. Okay. So
Yes, Ravi,
now,
take it.
yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this is the different packages are there, guys. In our application, what is that? Dipti, what are you doing now on the screen? Okay. So now, fine. So what is that? Okay. This is what? This is the mode package is there, right? This is one. Okay. This is the mode packages are there, right? This is the mode packages. Okay. Fine. Okay. So now here what? Here what is that? Here another package is there, right? Here another package is there. Fine. So these are the different packages are there, guys. And every package is right. Every package is just what is that? Just what? One 1 minute. 1 minute. I will tell. Okay. Okay. This is the class notation I'm taking. What is that? Class notation. Okay, this is the class notations, right? So now what I'm doing in the calm package, right? In the calm package, what is that? In the calm package, a class is there, right? In the calm package, what? A class is there. A class is there. Okay, a class is there. And here what is that? In here in package, what is that? B class is there. Okay, in test class package, what is that? C class is there, right? In the test class, what is that? C is there, C class is there. And what is that? Here D is there, right? Here D is there. Fine. So after then what is that? In org, what? F packet, F class is there. And here what is that? H class is there, right? H class is there. And here E class is there, right? Here just I'm taking E class is there. And here G class is there. And after then here what is that? I class is there, right? I class. In this package, what? I class is there. Okay. So, so now fine. So here, here something is there. Which one? Outline is not visible, right? One is there, that one is not showing that. Not happening, right? No problem. Then what we will do now? Control Z. Okay. So just this is the class. So what are these are the classes. Okay. Okay. These are the classes is there in these packages, right? In these packages. Okay, fine. So okay, so how this one is connected with what? Control Z. I delete. Okay, this package is connected with this one, and this one is connected with this one, and this one is connected with this one. Okay, and here what is that? Here it's connected with this one, and here this one is connected, and here what is that? This one is connected with this one, and this one is connected with this one, and this one is connected with this one. Okay, so if we are using like different packages, okay, so what is that? If we are taking what is that, this like com.ab, right, in the base pack component scan, right, in the component scan, what is that? See that here in the component scan, right, component scan, in this annotation what we are doing now, copy this one, just and what I'm going to do now, just here I'm pasting now. Okay, pasted, I pasted here. Okay, leave the component scan also. Okay, just take the base one. Okay, so here if we give what is that base, right, just calm only, right, in the base, right, if we give just calm only, right, so then what is that? Our container will create the object of what? Our container will create the object of what? Our a class, b class, and c b class, and what? C class, and what? D class. D class. After then what is that? Here also. Here E class, and what? F class, and what? H class, and what? G class, and what? I class. Means every classes our container will create the object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 classes is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 9 class. If we take the, okay, so here what it will become? Base class, this one. Okay, this package folder is become what? Base folder, right? So now same like okay, so I want to create the object of what? I want to create the object of what? E class, F class, and what is that? H class, and a G class, H class. Then what in the base package? What we will do now? What we will take now, guys? Now we will take in the base package com dot. What is that? Com dot. What is that? ABC is there, right? ABC. Okay. So whenever we will take in the base class, right? ABC, then our IOC container will create the, this is the base class. Okay, from here onward only, right, in the base packages, what is the base package will become? ABC. Base package will become ABC, and a sub package will become these are the sub packages. Okay, these will become sub packages, these will become sub package, and this one will become base package, right? This one will become what? Base package. Okay, so now fine. So if we want to create the object from what? E class onward, right? ABC package onward. Okay. So what we will do now? What we will do now? Come here. Okay. We will take in the base package, right? Com.abc. Then our container will create the object of what? E class, F class, and H class, and what? H class, G class, and G class, and what is that? H and G, and what? G and what? I classes, right? I classes. Our container will create the object of what? I classes, but it will not create of what? In test and mode. Okay. So now, okay, guys. So I want same. Okay. So let's okay. So now I'm giving what in the base packages, right? In the base packages. Okay. In the base packages, what I'm going to give now? Just I'm going to give the com dot in. If I'm giving the in, so just tell how what is the what how many classes object will create, and which classes. Just I want the what I want the response from you people. Please use the chat box, and everyone will give. Everyone is give. If in the base packages, if in the base packages com.in is there, then what we will get the result. What about others? What about others? Okay, so Raj BCD correct. Venkat Lanke not correct. Okay. Now Jitendra, you are correct. Okay. Now Jitendra, you are correct. Previously, you are not correct. Okay. So now another one. Venkatesh, not correct. Amrani, VCD correct. Ankit correct. Ganesh, VCD correct. Jitendra, first time your question was not correct. Okay. Now correct. Rahul, VCD correct. Okay. Okay, so this is the correct. Okay, so now, okay, fine, fine. Okay, so okay, fine, guys. So if I'm taking in the base class, what is that? Calm dot what? Rk dot, sorry, calm dot in dot, calm dot in dot, test dot, what is that? Test dot, what is that? Mode. Then tell what, which class object, how many class object will create. Just tell how many class object will create now. Yes, yes, everyone is correct. Okay, everyone is correct now. Okay, so just we will get what? 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 Last mode class of object, right? Just we will get what? Last mode class object. Okay, so everyone is correct. Okay, everyone is correct only. Okay, so fine now, guys. So this is the working functionality of what? This is the working functionality of what? Our what is that? Our what? Our what, our what, component scan, right? Component scan, right? So fine now. Okay, so component scan, this is the working functionality of component scan. Okay, so just be seen that. Okay, so if you want to detect, if you want to give intimation to our what, our container, right? Our container. Okay, our classes is there in the different packages. See that here, com.rk.emp, one package is there. In that, what is that? Employee class object is there. Okay, and here what is that? org.sf I taken. Inside that, my runner class is there. Because of that, what I use now? Array type used, base package array type com.rk I use. So what is that? Com.rk related whatever classes is there, container will detect and it will create the object. After then, same things. Okay, and our runner class is there in what? Org.what spring framework, right? What is that? Our application, what is that? Org.spring framework, my runner class is there, right? In this my runner class, what will happen now? It will detect that and it will create the object. Because of that, we seen the error also, and we seen the what, result also, right? Result also in the last, right? And the last, and what is that? And how it's working now? We seen the working functionality as a what, diagrammatically also, right? We seen that working functionality of what, diagrammatically also, right? Diagrammatically also. So now let's move on, and we will learn the next concept, guys. What is that? What is that? Lombok API, right? Lombok API. Okay, so Lombok API. Okay, so what I'm going to do now? So before that, right? Before that, here, just what I'm going to do now, guys. So one time I'm just writing what is that? This is the variable is there, right? These are the variables are there, right? These are the, what is that? Control Z. Okay, control Z. 1 minute. I have need to design the class, right? I have need to design one class, and in that class, what I will do now? Okay, control Z. Okay, this is only, right? This is only. Yes, yes, fine, fine, fine. Correct, correct. So what I'm going to do now, guys, this is the class, right? This is the class. Inside this class, what I'm going to do now, what I'm going to do now, this property, I don't want to read the data from the property, right? I don't want to read the data from the property. I want to inject the data using what? Setter method, right? Setter and the getter method. To read, I want to read the data using what? Getter method, and I want to set the data using what? Setter method. So for that, so think about that. Private, what is that? We have the data, right? Private employee information. Private, what is that? String, right? Private, no, integer. Just what is that? Integer, right? Emp, what is that? ID is there. Another one is what? Private private string, right? String, what is that? Emp name. uh, Before, after then I will explain what is that Lombok API, guys. Okay, we will learn the Lombok API. In the real time we are using the to setter, generate, constructor, setter, and all those things we are using what Lombok only. Lombok only. Okay, but before that, why we are going to learn what Lombok API? So I am explaining the that concept only. We are there in the same concept only, but what is that? What is that? But before, I have need to explain this one also. Then I can able to make you people want to understand what is that. Understand what is the use of what Lombok API. Okay, Lombok API. Okay, private. What is that private? What is that private? Double private. What double emp salary is there, right? Emp sal is there. Okay, these three properties are there, right? These three properties there. So how many way we can inject this property using setter injection or what constructor injection, right? Constructor injection. Who the feeling this word is new, right? This setter injection, constructor injection, guys. Please, my humble request to you people. Okay, watch our what Spring Core module, right? Spring Core module from what annotation driven onward. Okay, just okay, just I given the what in the anywhere in the video you will not find what we are wasting the time. Okay, just concept, what is the actual concept is there, those concept I explain in that. Okay, so what is that, this is what, so how many way we can inject this property using what setter injection or what constructor injection, means providing our IOC container. Injection means what, injection means what, some other person can inject the data to this property. So here some other person is whom container. What is that? Spring container is nothing but IOC container will inject the data, right? IOC container will inject the data. Okay, so same like in the normal life, what is the injection, guys? Injection. Whenever we are feeling sick and whenever we are going to doctor, who is the giving the injection? Doctor only, and the doctor is what? Someone only, right? Someone only. Okay, he is giving the injection. Okay, why is giving the injection? Because in the injection he is putting the data and that data is working in our body and our body fever is gone now. Okay, so because of that, so same like here also analyze the like this only, Java also analyze the reality only. Okay, so injection means this one only. Okay, so same like what is that, here third person is whom, here third person is whom, IOC container Spring container. Okay, so okay, now alt shift s plus what, alt shift plus what is alt shift s plus r, right? I'm providing the data using what, setter injection, right? Setter injection. Okay, so setter and the getter I generated, right? Now alt shift s plus s2 string also I'm generating in this class. Okay, two string also I'm generating. So see that how much code is there in one class, right? One class, this much code is be increased, right? This much code is increased. Okay, so now fine. So fine now. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will see that. Okay, let's move on and we will see that. Okay, next, what is that? So what I'm going to do now, guys? What I'm going to do now? So here, what I'm going to do now? Here, just what I'm doing to already, what is that? EMP object is there, nah? So what is that? EMP dot what set, right? EMP dot what set. I'm setting the what is that 101. Okay, in here, uh, here 101. I'm giving the data to what, our dependent class, right? Dependency class EMP. After then, what is that? EMP dot what set, what is that name? Just I'm giving my name only, right? Ravi, right? Another one is what? Another one is what? EMP dot what? Set salary, set salary. Just what I'm giving. What is that? Just 100, right? 100.0. Okay, like this only. Okay, this data I provided to whom, this class. Okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, so after then what is that? After then after then what we will do now? I want to read the data also. This out, right? This out. So read, if you want to read the only one data, emp dot what is that, get, right? Get method, right? Get method emp name, just I want to read it. Okay, I want to read the emp name only. let's run that, and emp name we will get the result, right? Emp name we will get the result. Okay, now run the application. See, Ravi we are getting or not? Ravi we are getting or not? Ravi we are getting or not? Using what setter and what is that construct? Getter injection, right? Getter injection. So now for that, so but here how much code we wrote? This is the this much code, okay? So to avoiding this code, hey developer, don't write these things. I will provide it. What is that? Some annotation. Based on those annotation, if you apply those annotation, this code you don't have need to write explicitly, right? This code you don't have need to write explicitly, okay? Our what Lambok API, Lambok project API only will create, right? Lambok API project, Lambok API only will create that object. Means what? Generate this setter method, getter method, and what is that? Zero param constructor. Based on that, they are given multiple. What is that? Multiple what, multiple annotation to generate what, these things, okay? Just we will apply like how we are applying the component, and our container is creating the object or not, same like. So that is the use of what, our Lambok API to reduce the what is that, reduce the what, to do not write what, this generate, should not write generate what explicitly this setter and getter method. If you apply the annotation, it will work, okay? It will work. So for that we are using what, for that in the project, what we are using the Lambok API, guys, okay? Lambok API. So for that, so what we will do now, let's work on that first, okay? But before working on, just still I'm not installing what is the Lambok API. If you want to work on Lambok API, so first we have need to install Lambok API in what, our computer, then it will work, guys, okay? Then it will work. So now from here onward, I'm going to, so let's what I'm going to do, what, just I'm going to do what, I'm creating one project, right? Here again I'm creating what, new, see that new, what is that, spring starter project, right? I'm selecting what, spring starter project, okay? So this application is what, third application, so this application I'm taking, what is that, Lambok application, right? Application. I'm taking the application name and package. Okay, third application. Third application description. Just I'm giving. Okay. So now here, what we will do now? But be careful. Till now, we are not using any dependency. Because of that, we are not selecting anything. Okay. So now, Ayodele, please switch off your camera. Ayodele, switch off your camera. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so fine. So next, what we will do now, we see the carefully. Next, what is that? Here we will select that dependency, right? Here, see that we don't have need to copy the dependency from what? Dependency from what? What is that? Uh, uh, Central repository. Our project only will generate. But here, what is that? We will select what is that? Lambok, right? Lambok dependency. Now select it. Now next, now finish it, right? Just we created the project, right? Just we created the project, guys, okay? But still this one will not work, okay? But still, if we apply the annotation, right? If we apply the annotation, it will not work, okay? It will not work, okay? Which one? So first we have need to what, install what, we have need to install what, Lambok API in what, our machine, right? Our computer, right? Our computer we have need to apply, right? Apply what, we have need to apply what, Lambok API, then it will work, okay? Then it will work. So let's what we will do now, let's install first, okay? Just now I created, right, Lambok API, right? So what we will do now, just close our Eclipse ID, okay? Close the Eclipse ID. I closed the Eclipse ID, right? So now what you will do now, after creating the project, right? Go inside this PC, go inside that what, local disk. After the user is there, right? User is there, go inside that user under Ravikant. In your computer, whatever your user is there, those users selected. In my computer, my name is there, right? So now I'm opening this one, okay? Ayodele, please switch off your camera. You are roaming on the road and you are listening. Oh, you are entering in your car, right? This is the peaceful area for you. Huh? Ayodele, you are listening or not? I don't know. Yeah. Because, yeah. Okay. So M2. Go inside that what? M2. Okay. Go inside that repository, right? Repository, right? Repository. Inside this repository, where you will go now? Where you will go now? Inside this repository, it will show. Okay. Inside org com yeah, org is there, right? Go inside that org, right? Go inside that what? Org. And here project Lombok will be there, right? Project Lombok and here, yeah, project Lombok is the open this one, right? Open this one again. What you will do now? Open this one. Okay, now project Lombok, see multiple jars, you will see that. Okay, multiple jars, you will see that. Just what is that? Executable jar is there, right? Executable jar, click on, double click on that executable jar, and what you will do now, just okay. So like this one dialog will box will come. Okay, it's installing Lambok. Now what is that? It's specify the location. It's still installing, guys. Okay, now no, here install and update. Now click on that install. Okay, now what you will do now? Okay, so here they see that STS bundle 3.9 it's showing, guys. Okay, so now another one is what we will take the our own Eclipse ID, right? Our own Eclipse ID. Where the our own Eclipse ID now? Where, how? Eclipse project. Where the Eclipse ID, which one we are using now? 1 minute, I need to see that. Okay, both project, right? Which one? Uh, Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse tool suite. Okay, yeah, Eclipse tool suite. This folder is there. Eclipse tool suite. Specify the location. Go inside that. Go inside the PC E drive. E drive. What is that? Eclipse tool suite. This one. This folder, right? Yeah, this one only. Okay, this one only. Select this one and select this one. Okay, now fine. Now fine. Okay, in my computer two, what is that? Two Eclipse ID 3.9 also is there, and what 4. Now we are working on the currently what 4, right? 4. So we have need to specify the location. Now update it. Now update it and quick quit after updation, right? After updation, what you will do now? What is your edit? Okay, Lombok jar to your project, your ID, right? So now fine. So now what you will do now? Quit and install. Now our what is that? Project Lombok is installed in your Eclipse. Okay, now next what you will do now? Open your Eclipse ID. Today this is the last concept, guys. After then next concept we will learn what next weekend onward. But project Lambok. After project Lambok, uh, what is that session? We will stop it the session. Okay. So now, but please concentrate on because I will not generate setter and getter method in next time onward. Okay. Because of that, I'm explaining what is that project Lambok. Now project Lambok is installed in your computer, guys. Okay. In our what computer, what project Lambok is installed now. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, guys? What I'm going to do now? Okay. So just this is the our one project Lombok application we created, right? Project now open this one, okay? Open this one and go inside that what? Go inside that what? Just what you will do now? What you will do now? Just I'm going to do what? I'm writing one class, right? Inside this one only, I'm going to write one class. Okay. So go inside that what new create one class, okay? Okay. So ram.rk dot what I'm taking emp package name I'm taking emp and what is that employee I'm taking the class as what employee. Now next finish. Okay. Okay, so fine. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, I want what is that I want to create the object of this class. What is that component, right? Component annotation we will apply on the top of what we will apply on the top of what this class, right? Okay, I applied now. Okay, inside that what I'm going to do now, guys, private what is that a string is there, right? No, what is that private, what is that employee integer, what is that emp what id. Okay, I'm taking emp id private. Another what I'm taking is string, right? A string what is that emp name, right? Another one what I'm taking private double emp style, right? Emp style, fine. Okay, so this is the attribute is there. Previously what we are doing now, we are generating setter and a getter method, right? Setter and a getter method. Just what I'm going to do now, one annotation data, just I'm applying now. After then I will give the project Lambok, right? Project Lambok at the rate data I applied on the top of what this class. Okay, you want to see that now, extract it, see that setter getter and all those things is generated, right? Generated. So now let's first what we will do now, let's understand what annotation we will apply, then what will happen, then we will apply in this class. Means our what is that Lambok API is started to working in our application. So just now I'm deleting this data, right? Just what I'm going to do now, what I'm going to do now, I'm deleting each and everything. Okay, just class will be there. Okay, just class will be there. Okay, so fine now, guys. So fine now. Okay, so what we will do now, come to our what notepad. Okay, notepad, and what we will do now, we will see the things. Okay, we will see the things. Okay, so okay, so what is that the project Lambak, using the project Lambak, what we are doing now, this is an open source. Project Lambak is the open source API, guys. Okay, project Lambak is what open source API. It provide what it provide list of annotation. It will provide what list of annotation, right? It will provide the list of annotation. So just think about that. Previously, okay, so previously what is that, previously what, okay, suddenly what, just analyze it. Okay, analyze it. Previously what is that, previously what is that, previously just two data two attribute is there in the class, right? Two attribute is there in the class, and what we are doing now, and alt shift s plus what, s2 string method is there, right? Based on these two attribute, right? Based on these two attribute, what is that, this what is that, this what is that, this one do this two string is there, but suddenly our what is that requirement is change in the company, right? Suddenly what is that, use the double what is that, double what is that emp cell, right? Use what is that, add the employee salary also, right? Add the employee salary also. So suddenly then this two string will work only what these two data type, but this one will not work. Okay, so then what is that developer responsibility to again delete that, again then developer will write that what, again developer will write what, two string method, right? Two string method with based on that what, based on that what, based on that what, based on that what, based on that these three attributes. Then this is the burden or not. So this is the burden or not, means this is called what, boilerplate code or not, guys. So because of that, but if we use what is that Lombok API, right? Lombok API. So for that just we will write what is that, just we will write at the rate what is that two string, right? Two string annotation, right? Internally two string will be generated in this class. We don't have need to write. If in the future if we want to reduce also, this annotation will take care. If we want to in the future increase also, if we want to increase also, this annotation will increase. Okay, so burden is reduced or not, guys? Developer burden is reduced or not? So same like some annotation I'm going to listing out here. Okay, some annotation is what I'm going to listing out only, right here. So now fine, guys. So here let's see that. Okay, so let's see that what is that concept. I'm taking the concept and what is that annotation, right? Annotation. So to generate, right, to generate in what, our bean class, to generate our bean class setter getter method, right? Setter getter method to generate in our what, our bean class what, setter getter method, set method, right? Set method. For that what is that, at the rate set setter annotation is there. Okay, to generate what is that get method to generate what, get method. What is that, at the rate what is that, get method, sorry, getter is there, getter annotation is there, right? Okay, so now fine, another one is what, guys? To generate two string in your class. I don't want to write two string, right, explicitly. To generate what is that, to generate what is that two string, right? Two strings. So for that what annotation is there, what annotation is there, at the rate what, at the rate two string, guys. Okay, at the rate two string. Okay, so fine now. Okay, equals and has code. I want to check what this object is same or not, to see that. Okay, means to generate what is that, to see that it equals and has code, right? So for that, to seeing that what is the equality, equals and what is that, and has code, right? Has code of what, our application. So for that what annotation we will apply, what annotation, at the rate what is that, at the rate has has code and equals annotations is there, right? After then what is that, to generate constructor, right? To generate, already we know that in our class by default what is that, by default what, constructor is there. By default one zero param constructor is there. No, I want what, explicitly parameterize and non-parameterized to generate the constructor. So for that what is that, so for that to generate what is the constructor, to generate what, constructor. So for that what annotation is there now, guys? What annotation is there? No no arts no arts no ask constructor. To generate what is that, no ask constructor explicitly. For that what is that, no ask annotation is there, right? So now fine. No, I want what is that, to generate what is that, how many attributes are there? Three attributes is there. So all, based on that all attributes I want to generate what, all parameterized constructor, so for that what is that, all what is that, args, all are constructor annotation is there. Okay, so now, okay, no, what I want to do now, I want what is that, I want to generate what is that, only one parameter constructor with what is that